Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling a huge question that every student and researchers face. That is, how do you choose a perfect research topic? So let's be frank, picking a topic can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But at this time, don't worry guys, by the end of this video, you will have a clear, structured way to find a research topic that is exciting, meaningful and feasible. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Before we are selecting a research topic, first ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? This is where you define the big idea behind your research. And think about a problem you are passionate about, a question that you have always wanted to answer, and a real-world issue that needs a fresh perspective. For example, if you love tech, you might explore how AI is transforming education. Or if you are in the health science, maybe the impact of social media on mental health. Here, the key is find a topic that excites you. But wait, just because you like the topic doesn't mean that it is research worthy. That is why we need to ask why questions. This is the game changer question, because it answers why is your topic important. So you need to ask yourself, why should people care about this? Why does this problem exist? Why hasn't it been solved yet? For instance, if you are interested in climate change, ask why are current solutions not enough? Or if you are into business, ask why do startups fail in their first year? Here, the golden rule is, if your why is weak, your research might struggle to make an impact. So, choose a topic with real-world significance. Now that we know that what and why, let us figure out how to make it happen. Okay, so you have got a clear topic idea, but now it is time to figure out the how. So in order to figure out the how, you need to ask yourself, how will I collect my data? Is it surveys, interviews, or experiments? How will I analyze it? Is it statistics, case study, content analysis, or other? And how much time do I realistically have? For example, if you want to study social media trends, will you analyze Twitter data? Will you conduct focus groups? Or will you use AI tools? So choosing the right method as a pro, you need to pick a research method that fits your skills and resources. If you hate statistics, avoid a heavily quantitative study. And at the fourth, let's talk about where your research should focus. That is the fourth WH question you need to ask yourself before you are selecting a research topic. Because every research topic has a geographical scope. So at this moment, you need to ask yourself, where is the problem happening? And where will I get the most relevant data? And where can I find experts or case studies? For example, if you are researching urbanization challenges, will you focus on New York, Tokyo, or developing city in Africa? So the where helps you narrow your research and make it more specific. So as a pro, a focused study is always better than a vague one. Instead of the global effects of climate change, just go for the impact of rising sea level on coastal communities in Miami. All right? Well, now let's talk about who actually cares about your research. That is the fifth WH question you need to ask yourself before you are selecting a research topic. Because research is not just about what you study. It is also about who will read it or who cares about your research. So at this point, you need to ask yourself, who I am writing for. Is it for academics? Is it for business or the government? Who will benefit from my findings? That students, patients, or companies? And who might fund or support this research? Grant agencies, universities, NGOs, or others? As an example, if you are studying mental health in teenagers, your audience could be educators, psychologists, and parents. And if it is about cryptocurrency regulations, your reader might be lawmakers and investors. So as a pro, Tailoring your research to a clear audience makes it more impactful and publishable. And finally, let's talk about one of the biggest roadblocks. That is time. So, when you think of time, since time is everything, we need to ask ourselves when questions. Because setting deadline can help you stay on track. So you need to ask yourself here under indicated questions like, when is my deadline? When do I need to collect data? When will I finalize my findings? For example, you can break your time like month 1 literature review or something, month 2 data collection, or month 3 analysis and writing. Because if your topic requires long-term studies, fieldwork or funding, make sure you plan accordingly. Good research, good time management. And there you have it. The ultimate 6-step framework to choosing the perfect research topic. Remember, ask yourself the 6 questions. What do I want to achieve? Why does this matter? How will I research it? Where should I focus? Who is my audience? When do I need to act? By answering these questions, you will land on the topic that is exciting, meaningful, and totally doable or feasible. Guys, at the end, I have a question for you. That is, what's your biggest challenge when choosing a research topic? Please drop a comment below. I would love to help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more information regarding research and study tips. Until next time, happy researching, guys.